Hi guys, welcome. I have an issue with Sublime Text at this particular moment in time. When I update my system, I did not like the one that was online, and that's the 4.3, so 4.1.4.3, and I decided to downgrade. So downgrada, and then the exact words, the exact name of the package, which is this. I decided to just quickly whatever, right, and go back to an older package. And that's why we see now this, that it's ignored. Now I have time to have a look. Why is it not okay? Why is my application not okay? So troubleshooting of an application. It doesn't matter which name. So you go to your config, that's where I want to go. I will make a backup of this thing. So it has no settings anymore. So we start from scratch, that's one thing. What else would I do? I would check if there is something in the local. Well, cache as well. Is there something called Sublime Text in here? Yes, that's deleted. This is no problem. This is cache. I can delete this. And the local, does it contain something? So here is some stuff, and here is some stuff, and here is some stuff. It might be so that you have a different, well, folders, right? It depends what you do. So nothing of the kind is there. Then I'll try to update the system. So npacman, in our files in here, it says somewhere up there, ignore package, right? So this line needs to go. Then I'm telling pacman, please update everything. Do not ignore the package any longer. And this is the version we get in. But first, maybe we should also do a Ctrl-T, yay, Sublime-text-4. Do we have the same version, right? So yes, the version that we have on the repo is the same as the one on the AWAR. Okay, then we're gonna say yes. And one of the things that I did not like anymore was the fact that the slider was gone. So down here, I did not have the possibility to open up the slider. So I start again with all kind of open files. Not gonna work. Let's see. Well, we're working on CHADWM a lot, so let's go there. Better still, the best way for me to work on it is like this. Then I have all the files that I need, and I can go and have a look. Now I'll do Ctrl-T, which I often do, right? The bar that I used to have is there and is not there. You need to be clicking quite precisely, probably, to have the bar present or not. And visually it's gone. I don't like the fact that it's visually gone. I'd rather like my bar to be there. You see, it's such a pain to be actually clicking this thing and actually go to the right side. Right. So, slider. Is there a way to tell Sublime Text? Is there a way to tell Sublime Text? Ctrl-Alt-G. Sublime text slider bottom line, maybe, yeah. Documentation, work down, how to create an image, I don't know. Sublime-text-4. Move cursor to top, middle, bottom of visible lines. Anyway, we're on the forum, so that's a start. Yep, they do. Here's the forum, and here's the search, and we have a look. The latest are here. Voila, he's downgrading. Why is he downgrading? This is something about licenses, it seems. Scroll bar behavior. It's kind of scroll bar. This might be something. If it's the same thing that I think it is. Scroll bar behavior. It is a scroll bar, right? Can only try and fail. So, projects, preferences, settings, syntax specific, personal settings, preferences, Control V. Let's now go to Super F. Then the syntax. The syntax is probably going to be something like that. Equals that. No, it's not equals. It's a, how do you call this thing again? Yeah, all things gone. That thing. Comma or no comma. Don't think it matters. Let's see. Overlay scroll bars disabled. So if I close this and open up Sublime Text again. Was this there? Then we do know it's not that, right? Depending off, yeah, it is that. So now I have the bars again, I think, right? Let's test this again. Sublime Text. I have my bar again, visually. Cool. Solved it, right? Now, what's the rest? Maybe you can have a look. Did I set anything else in the past? Compare. Preferences, Sublime Text. So this is something to keep. Yeah, true. Remember, workspace is also a very important one. Control C. Font size 19, gonna be big enough. Remember, workspace false. What was it again? For tiny window managers, right? When you open up Sublime Text, it doesn't come next to the window you're on, it comes to the workspace. You used to be, right? If I'm number 10 and I used to open it F2, it's gonna go there. I don't want him to remember the workspace, and I want him to come next to whatever thing I'm doing on the same workspace. So that's important for me. So basically, I should keep track of these things, right, Eric? You should do that, keep track of it. Did I keep track of it? Let's see. Sublime Text has, where is it? I don't know, local maybe? Nope. Install packages, nope. Library, nope. Packages then, user. That's it. So this file, Control C, I should keep it around. I should put it on my GitHub. ArcoLinux Nemesis, personal, settings, Sublime Text. Control V. I'll put it in here. And now all of you guys have it too. More importantly, I have it. Backup, right? So settings for Sublime Text. So if I install another machine and I wonder, was it again? I don't have to wonder. I go look at the file, copy paste it over, and copy pasting. You do it with scripts, right? Let the machine work for you. Script to say go to personal, go to Sublime Text, put it there. That's it. Copy paste. All right, I'm out. I hope you learned something in the process. All right, cheers.